Hello, Chef here in one of the kitchens. I thought I'd share some tips with you. First of all, selecting the cutlery. Just because you own some knives doesn't mean you pick up any knife like this one and randomly use it just for anything. These knives have specific purposes. So right here I've got a cheese knife. This is good for soft cheese or hard cheese. Right here I got some hard cheese. This is Parmigiano Reggiano, the real deal from Italy. I'm taking just a few pieces like this, and I'm going to be cutting it into some small cubes like this, and I'm going to be loading my cheese grater. Put this hard cheese in like this. Okay. There you go. Now we're good to go with some fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Oh yeah. So that's going to be good. We're going to use it in one of the recipes coming up here. Nice. Get that out of the way. Okay. Of course, you save a little bit for snacking. Quality control. You don't use a ceramic knife for cutting hard cheese. Okay. Next, we got some soft cheese. This is a fine aged cheddar. This is like 4-year. Good stuff. Cheese knife. Notice how the cheese knife slides right through. Beautiful. That's what I'm looking for right there. Nice slices. So easy. With the right tools. Okay. Moving along. That in itself is valuable information for you. So I'm going to create something with this, a little unusual, using an avocado, but I want you to watch the next recipe. So the next video will have a recipe with the avocado as well as tomato and a few other ingredients in there as well. This is just a learning video. Pick up tips from the videos, listen to the chefs, learn, cook. Don't forget to like and share the video. That keeps us going if you like the video. More to come real soon. I'll be sporting this knife again. Yeah. Thanks for watching. You will see this knife in a couple of the videos. It's got some unique features. First one is the Packawood octagon shaped handle. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. It's a layered Packawood that's super strong. And the knife, of course, is super sharp. The knife is made in Japan. The blade is very special material, and it doesn't need sharpening. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. Boost blocks. Don't forget to click that little like and subscribe button so we know you're into the video. Share it with your friends. Get cooking and have a beautiful day.